Are you looking to find how to change username in Twitter? Well, usernames have a unique place, a very distinguished place in social media sites or even the internet in general. Many people have same name, so usernames are a way to differentiate people one from the other. So it makes sense that we want our username to distinctly identify us. And sometimes if the username of ours don't quite align with us, we can change our username in Twitter. Hello everyone, welcome to How to Guide. In today's guide, we're gonna see how we can change username in Twitter. Well, it's pretty simple. Just open your X app, double click or single click, and then go to the top left corner where there is profile avatar. Click on it. Now go to settings and support. Click on it. Now you can see settings and privacy. Let's choose it. On the top there is your account, so let's select it. Again, account information. So at the top we have username. We have finally arrived where we can change our username. Let's select it. Now entering our username. The only requirement of username is that it needs to be unique, but we cannot include any special characters other than underscore, and it needs to be unique in the Twitter space. Alright, let's go ahead and change it to Femria12. Once we see this green check mark to the right of it, it is a valid username. Once that's done, click on done. Alright, our username has been successfully updated. Now you know how to change username in Twitter. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, do give this video a big thumbs up. And for future video updates, make sure you subscribe to our channel How to Guide. Until next time, bye bye.